Bullish Jasmy coin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market experts accept JASMY could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Nonetheless, with this consistent advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information insurance convention that places information a majority rules government a high worth and means to go about as a delegate for the protected trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in concentrated frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded conjectures. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost estimate for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the JASMY stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets, consequently enhancing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves a tremendous scope of issues and purposes. In April 2019, proof of idea, convention plan, and web tests were begun. The organization Jasmy coin got recorded on the Bittrex crypto trade and began to help Trust Wallet and MetaMask exchanges in May 2021. In September 2021, Slow Mist Innovation, a security organization that focuses on savvy contract reviews, marked a joint effort managed Jasmy. This association was to actually look at the security principles of the convention and its assessment mechanics. Also, inside a similar period, Jasmy joined forces with Sagan Tasu, one of the top groups in the Japanese Football Association, and turned into its support. In October 2021, Jasmy coin got recorded on Coinbase and Coinbase Genius. In the new year 2022, Jasmy declared that they intend to grow universally, basically into North America and Asia. They mean to encourage organizations with organizations in view of blockchain and man-made reasoning innovation. The organization doled out Kentaro Miura to assist it with extending its headquarters in the U.S., furthermore, to advance systems administration and unions with driving organizations in cutting-edge innovation fields like Web3, computer-based intelligence, and IoT, for the most part in Silicon Valley in WAC 2022. In April 2022, they collaborated with Mystico Network, a multi-chain protection programming improvement organization, will help client validation and guarantee information security and streamlining. Binance collaborated with Jasmy around the same time to offer a Tesla to a fortunate victor. Jasmy has as of late shared numerous significant data and updates that have impacted the JASMY token cost. Jasmy applications. Jasmy applies to on-chain exchanges as it gives a stage to people and organizations to move tokens involving computerized gadgets as confirmation of significant worth trade or installment for administration. Jasmy is applied to move tokens later or during an exchange as installment for administrations presented on the convention. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, SiloCentripay, a SenseNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and incorporated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy likewise fills in as a foundation that empowers information trade among organizations and organizations, as they plan to fabricate a phenomenal time of data. This large number of utilizations referenced above show that the utilization instance of JASMY both on-chain and in reality is serious areas of strength for the interest in the token won't fade yet rather increment over the long haul. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise venture portfolio. In any case, this isn't monetary guidance as you're encouraged to properly investigate things. Jasmy coin current cost. Jasmy coin is at present worth $0. JASMY has moved 0.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $71,869,381. Jasmy coin is at present position 558 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $22,433,581 USD. Jasmy coin value expectation 2022. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The JASMY cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. In 2023, Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the JASMY's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. In the event that Jasmy coin effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2025. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, JASMY has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. In the event that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2028. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029. By 2029, Jasmy coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 3 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 3 cents. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today, Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $22,433,581. Is Jasmy coin a wise speculation? Jasmy coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that JASMY is a decent decision